If you're anything like me and you have a small closet, maybe even messy like this, well, I'm going to show you how I made over my closet for under $250. And you can do it too.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
Hey friends, welcome back. So I recently made over my closet a few months ago, and I wanted to show you guys exactly how I did it. First thing I did was do my research. Yes, I researched. I looked all over YouTube, Pinterest, and TikTok. I knew that I wanted to do this for as least amount of money as possible. So I saw the viral Target TikTok bookcase closet, and I said, yeah, this will work well in my space. Went online to Target and they were sold out because, y'all, I'm an online shopper. I love to shop online. So then I went online to Ikea, and I saw that they had bookcases. So I ended up purchasing I got 3 bookcases from Ikea, and I purchased 2 from Walmart. So once the bookshelves came, I was ready to go. So I decluttered the closet, and I removed the shelf, and I patched the holes, and now I'm painting the closet.
To be sincere, feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you, no matter what we go through. Keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate, but I'm missing you. Pull me in closer.
Yo, when I took this stuff out of the box, I was like, what did I get myself into? Because this looked like too much for me to be doing. But after I read the directions, it really wasn't that hard. It took about 30 minutes to put each closet together, and I think it came out pretty good.
Yeah. One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart?
So it was getting late and I was getting tired, so I was just like, I'm gonna stop right here and pick this up tomorrow. So now it's the next day, and I'm starting to put the second bookcase together.
I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter close here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah.
And right here, I'm putting a Billy bookcase together from Ikea. I lost most of the footage, so you won't be able to see me fully assemble this bookcase. But yeah, guys, everything turned out nice, and I really like how the bookcases came out. It really made the space look much better. And I just can't wait for the final reveal so you guys can see how everything came together. But I'm just showing you guys what the closet looks like right now. I'm gonna add one more Billy bookcase to the other side of the wall. Really like how this turned out. It's a small space, but these closets made a very big impact. I added this pendant light I purchased from Amazon. I really like how this light came out. Well, let's get into the video.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city, yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me, yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mine, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Ride my own rise.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
It's like to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. No, you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, baby.
I hope y'all getting some inspiration from this video. If you do, let me know in the comments. And I want to say thank you to all my returning friends and all my new friends. I appreciate y'all so much. The channel is getting more and more friends, and I just hope that we can continue to grow. With that being said, you will see DIY, home decor, lifestyle, shopping. If you like that type of content, consider subscribing to the channel and becoming a friend of the channel. I would love to have you here. What I'm doing right now is installing these LED puck lights that I purchased from Amazon. It comes with a light switch. You get 2 battery operated puck lights. It has 2 temperature settings, warm and cool. I like the cool setting, which is a really nice feature. And y'all see the closet is really starting to come together. I just have a few more finishing touches, and I did put up the other Billy bookcase, and I put a closet door on there. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna add some more lighting. I do have another video up on the channel where I did do some updates to my closet, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below if you want to see that video. I really hope this video gives you some inspiration. I'm gonna leave the links to the things that I purchased in the description. None of this is sponsored. I'm just sharing it just in case anyone is interested in building their own closet. And with the seasons changing, I'm going to be updating my closet again for winter. So that'll be another video that'll be coming soon. I have a few finishing touches, and then I'll be revealing what the closet looks like.
Think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah.
Ready to see what the closet looks like?
Steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out. Drugs, I'm ready to fly, no drug. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up above. When you come excited in us, I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never go back to when we before you forgot my worth. Your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you.
Alright y'all, thanks for stopping by. I hope this video inspired you in some way. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. Bye, y'all.
Feels like a rebirth.